Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using FlexJobs. FlexJobs, a freelancer platform review. In this video, we're diving into FlexJobs, a platform specifically designed to connect professionals with remote and flexible job opportunities. Find direct links to FlexJobs and their various services in the description below. FlexJobs caters to professionals across a broad spectrum of industries, including tech, writing, customer service, marketing, and many more, who are seeking remote, part-time, freelance, or other flexible work arrangements. The platform's core strength lies in its dedication to providing high-quality, vetted job listings, helping users steer clear of the scams and low-quality opportunities that often plague other job boards. A key feature that sets FlexJobs apart is its rigorous job vetting process. Each and every job listing undergoes a manual screening process to verify its legitimacy, significantly minimizing the risk of encountering fraudulent postings. This meticulous approach makes FlexJobs a trusted resource for both freelancers and job seekers in search of dependable opportunities. Another powerful tool provided by FlexJobs is its advanced search filtering system. These filters empower users to effortlessly pinpoint remote job openings that perfectly align with their unique skill sets, experience levels, and desired work schedules. This level of personalized searching makes FlexJobs a fantastic choice for those prioritizing work-life balance. For freelancers specifically, FlexJobs operates on a subscription-based model, offering a variety of membership options. Each tier provides access to job listings, valuable resources, and helpful tools. Memberships also unlock additional perks such as career coaching, resume reviews, and skills testing, designed to give you an edge and help you stand out to potential clients. While there is a subscription fee involved, the access to high-quality, exclusive job listings makes it a worthwhile investment for individuals serious about securing reliable freelance work. Furthermore, FlexJobs boasts a user-friendly interface complete with customizable job alerts, an intuitive dashboard, and detailed job descriptions, enabling you to make well-informed decisions before applying. They also offer a comprehensive resource library packed with webinars, informative articles, and practical job search tips to further support your career development. In summary, FlexJobs is a highly recommended platform for professionals pursuing remote and flexible work opportunities. Its commitment to providing quality job listings, powerful search tools, and supplementary resources firmly establishes FlexJobs as one of the most dependable platforms for finding legitimate freelance work. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and share your own experiences with FlexJobs in the comments below.